If you are feeling stressed, discouraged, or just a little blah, I am going to show you how to use doTERRA's Cheer Essential Oil Blend to get you happy on, as well as some recipes and affirmations to kick it up a notch. By the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, I do weekly videos on essential oils and emotions, as well as mindset coaching for female entrepreneurs. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Hey boss lady, this is Tara Wagner, your Belief Breakthrough Coach, and we are going to be talking about doTERRA's Cheer Blend. This is called the Uplifting Blend, and it's basically a blend of essential oils for happiness. So I'm going to go through a little bit of an intro on the oil in case you're brand new to it, as well as precautions, some of the physical uses of this oil, and then we're going to go into the emotional uses, as well as some additional recipes and affirmations that you can use with Cheer to get the most out of it. If you are new to emotional aromatherapy and how oils work with the limbic system and your thoughts and emotions, be sure to check out the video up above my head. I will also link it in the description below. Now, the way essential oils work in the brain, you can actually find a lot of essential oils for happiness, but I like to go with blends because you cover more emotional bases with a blend versus trying to get 20 different oils to cover 20 different aspects of the emotions that we're going through. Our emotions are complex. They're not just one simple cut and dry thing. So when you can get a blend, I really recommend it. This is a blend of citrus and spice oils. It has wild orange, clove, star anise, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla bean extract, ginger, cinnamon, and is this Polish? I don't know. So of course everybody smells something different when they smell an essential oil based on your emotional state, based on your even past experiences and how they're going to interact with different aromas. When I smell this oil, it reminds me of childhood. Like, it's just happy, it's sweet, it's carefree. It kind of actually reminds me a little bit of Smarties candies, which were always my favorite. So it really does make me happy. And I think you'll find the same thing, that it just has this, it's just a sweet kind of happiness to it. Like, all is well in the world, life is good. You just feel cheerful. You can use this oil topically or aromatically. They actually have a 10 ml roll-on. This is pre-diluted, so you could put this on your pulse points, wherever you might need it. And then they have the 5 ml, which is undiluted. So with the 5 ml, you can either make your own roller blends or you can pop it in the diffuser. I tend to prefer these. I'll get these once because I like the bottle with a label, and then I'll refill it with my own and do it to my own dilution rate. Now let's go into the physical uses really fast. Every oil has both emotional and physical uses, so although this was blended up specifically for the emotional uses that we're going to go into, you might be able to get some double duty with some of the physical uses as well. So the oils in this blend are great for digestive health or upset stomachs, nausea, morning sickness, motion sickness. You've got clove in here, which is really powerful. It's the most powerful antioxidant. So this is going to be great for anything that you might need antioxidants for, which is, pretty much life. You've also got that immune support with the cinnamon. And then because of that cinnamon, you have the ability to support healthy blood sugar regulation. Now, I do want to say a little word of warning for this, that if you are on insulin, if you do need to watch your blood sugar, cinnamon may adjust your blood sugar levels. It can do this in a very supportive way, but if you're not paying attention, you may then use your insulin in the wrong way. And the last thing that this is great for is sugar cravings. When you're using this oil for physical uses, you want to use it primarily topically. You will use this over the area of concern, so that might be the stomach or the pancreas, or just for general support, you might use it on the bottom of the feet or down the spine. Drop me a comment below and let me know if I've missed any uses that Cheer might be good for. So Cheer is called the Uplifting Blend because it's just going to put you in a happy mood. It's not overly energizing, like Motivate's really going to get you up and going and moving. Cheer is just going to make you feel good. It's really about increasing that mental and emotional energy. It's going to increase determination, hope, joy, this feeling that all is well in your world. So use this one when you are feeling stressed, when that stress is turning you into a cranky pants, when you are feeling just kind of blah or discouraged or heavy-hearted, when you're feeling pessimism, sadness, or something along the lines of winter blues. If your mood, your emotions, your situation, your environment, the weather is just kind of putting you into those dark places, this is an oil that I would recommend diffusing all day, every day. And in fact, if you know that you can get into those dark places, start diffusing this ahead of time so that you can kind of, head it off at the pass. Now, this blend has a lot of stimulating oils in it, including wild orange, which is called the oil of abundance. This makes this blend really good for two things in particular. One of them is creativity, and the other one is money mindset or money blocks. The reason that those two go together is because oftentimes money mindset or money blocks have to do with our ability to perceive possibilities, to think creatively or divergently. This is an oil that is going to trigger those areas of the brain. So whether you're working in a creative component, such as art or music, or you are working on your money, your budget, your creative ways to make new money, this is an oil that I would recommend diffusing and using topically throughout that process, just to get your juices flowing, to get you into that playful, fun, lighthearted, all is well in the world vibe as you go into something that might otherwise feel a little bit heavy, a little bit frustrating, a little bit overwhelming, or a little bit out of reach. So my favorite applications for cheer would be to diffuse this, especially while you're at work or in the morning to get you going in the day, or to use it topically. I would recommend the solar plexus or your pulse point specifically for this oil, but also any area of concern. If you feel like you hold your emotions in a certain part of your body, your lower abdomen, your shoulders, your neck and back, whatever it might be, apply the area over that area of concern. This is going to help you to tap into the emotional cerebellum. It's going to help you to release those emotions from the body as well as from the mind. Now I've got two favorite recipes that I want you to try out. The first recipe is called Happy Days. This is a diffuser blend. You're going to use 3 drops of cheer and 3 drops of a blend called Motivate. I just did a video on Motivate a couple weeks ago. You'll remember that it is an oil for movement, for taking action, for motivation, for getting rid of procrastination. A lot of times when we're in that place of procrastination, we're also feeling very low, very discouraged. So using these two oils together are a perfect pair. This next recipe is called Happy Heart. You can use this in the diffuser, or you can double it, maybe even triple it, and put it in a 10 ml roller bottle as well. You're going to want 4 drops of cheer and 2 drops of ylang-ylang. Ylang-ylang is one of the most powerful heart-opening or heart center oils. It's all about opening the heart to an experience of unconditional love and joy. It puts you into this place of just touchy-feely, everything is sweet, people are wonderful, empathy, compassion, complete and utter love. So I like to use these together for obvious reasons. You've got essential oils for happiness, and then you've got essential oils for unconditional love. This is going to allow you to move into your day, into your relationships with a lot of fun, with a lot of connection, with a lot of playfulness. This is great if you've been under a lot of stress, if your family's under a lot of stress, or if you know you're going into a stressful situation. This can be something that you use in advance to kind of set the mood. Now, if these emotions are a pattern for you and you're wanting to really shift and change that pattern, here are some affirmations to use with this oil on a consistent basis. And make sure that you check out that video that I linked in the description on essential oils and emotions, and it'll teach you how to use the oils in this way to really change those emotional and mental patterns that we can all find ourselves in. So here are some affirmations that I love. I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and celebrate myself. Why is it so easy for me to look for and find the beauty in the world around me? Despite any challenges, I allow myself to lean into joy. Life is fun, and I allow myself to have fun with it. I am surrounded by gifts, blessings, and love. Money and creativity are constantly flowing my way. Who does not love that last one? So now you know all about how to use doTERRA Cheer blend of essential oils for happiness. but what other essential oils are top of the list, especially for female entrepreneurs? I have 10 that I recommend the most, and cheer is one of them, and I've put them together along with affirmations to go with each one into a free PDF. It's called Sniff Sniff Affirm. It will walk you through some tips on how to use these oils in the most effective way possible to influence the way that you feel, think, and act. You can see the link for that up above my head, as well as in the description below. Now I want to get your tips and recommendations to share with the community. So what has been your experience with doTERRA Cheer? What do you use it for? What have you found that it does for you? Leave your answers in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe because I put a new one just like it out every single week. Share it with your boss lady friends in your Facebook groups, and will you give me a thumbs up because that helps a sister out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Booyah!